1935 Alfa Romeo 6C 2300B Gran Turismo. This is a very rare and early example with chassis number 003. It's the first series of the B version. Its innovative and completely redesigned chassis is more rigid and fitted with 4 independent suspensions. Together with its improved and brilliant 6C 2309cc engine, gave to the car much higher comfort and speed performances.
This car is definitely the most advanced and fast family and touring car of its time. Alfa Romeos at this time are a symbol of a high-class technology, as well as all the saloon cars of this series. It is fitted with this lovely saloon body manufactured in the internal carrozzeria Alfa Romeo.